Alright guys, so this is round number 2 for day 2. We've got the hot honey. First of all, this is a sweet potato pie waffle. Then we've got the hot honey, which I haven't added yet, chicken tender to make the sandwich. So we've got, first of all, the hot honey right here. I don't know why I keep saying it like that, you guys. Too much time at the state fair, too many Texans out here. What do you expect? Alright, let me see. Ooh, that smells spicy. It smells more spicy than it is sweet. So I'm only going to put a little dabble. Just a little bit. Because I don't want to make a huge mess anyways, which, let's face it, I will. I'm sorry for whoever's cart that I stole. And I'm sitting over here, making myself comfortable. Well, that wasn't a smart idea. I got some of the hot honey on my fingers, and I'm still licking it off. Alright, and then we've got some syrup. Drizzle that a little bit, just a tad bit. Gonna end up making a mess anyways. Look at that drizzle, goodness. Can't waste any honey. Syrup. Then we got a little bacon sprinkled on here too. Let's see. The first thing I tasted was that hot honey. I've made sweet potato pancakes at home. Never have they turned out this pale. This is supposed to be sweet potato pie waffles. I smell 0 sweet potato. I taste 0 sweet potato. If the line wasn't so long, I'd go back and fuss because I taste nothing sweet other than syrup, a little bit of honey. But there's no sweetness in these waffles. So that's false advertisement, and I'm not happy with that. Guys, this thing costs $16. $16. Do you realize how much I can make at home for $16? I've already got the syrup. I've already got the chicken. And I can make my own sweet potatoes, waffles that are better than this. And I can make better bacon. Save the money. I'm not happy. And you know what? It's not even the fact that, the cost of it, because I'm at the fair. I expect to pay $10, $15 per entree that I get. I kind of hurt my pockets just saying that. Y'all, I'm cheap. But the principle of the matter is I pay $16 for false advertisement. There's no sweet potato in this at all. Like I told you, I've made sweet potatoes at home. I might even do a video on making sweet potato waffles for you guys. But I guarantee you, they ain't going to be this light. There's no oranginess. Hershey has more orange than this. And she's brown. I'm so disappointed. But I will say, I'm trying to end it on a good note. That hot honey sauce, it's emphasis on hot. It kind of tastes like the Red's Hot. They put that ish on everything. Because, well, yeah, I'm just disappointed. I don't even have any cinnamon on it. No cinnamonness, no sweetness. The waffles are just plain Jane waffles. I can make it at home. Granted, I can make a lot of this stuff at home, but I'm too cheap and too lazy. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut this short. I'm a little disappointed, but I'm probably gonna call it a day because I've been doing a lot of walking and there's a lot of people here. I don't feel like waiting in line again. I waited probably about 20 minutes for this thing, and that's just to order it, not to get it. So that's another 15 minutes. So yeah, I'm ready to go. So I will definitely be back. I will be abusing my season pass this year. So make sure that you stay tuned, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all later, guys. In the meantime, stay tuned, stay jazzy. Thanks for watching.